Hi Learndash users. Welcome to our channel. Do you want to display different quizzes to different students of a Learndash course? Or, showing different questions to the same student on refreshing the quiz page? This is possible through our Quiz Mixer plugin. Install the Quiz Mixer plugin and click it. The dashboard for the Quiz Mixer will appear. You mix questions either quiz-wise or the quiz category-wise. In this example, we are trying to create a mixed quiz out of 3 quizzes: history, science, and geography. Each of these quizzes has 30 questions. So, we select history and give number 10. Likewise, we select science and geography and put number 10. This means that Quiz Mixer plugin will pick up 10 questions at random from each of these 3 quizzes. And build a new quiz containing 30 questions from each. Give the quiz a title. Say, we gave it a name, Random Quiz 1. Describe your mixed quiz by filling the next field for description. This is just for you and not users. If you want to create a new category for the mixed quiz you are creating, enable the toggle and give category name. Now comes the most important aspect of creating this quiz. How to make a quiz that displays questions at random. For this, you need to put a smaller number of questions out of the total number of questions that the new quiz has. So, we put the number 10. That is 1/3 of total question in new quiz called Random Quiz 1. Then we save it. A success message will appear. Let us see and check if the questions are really picked up randomly. Let us open a private window in Chrome and test. You can see, when the browser is refreshed, a new question appears. So, this way, you not only create new and fresh quiz, but also test candidates by displaying random quizzes. Please note that since it is picked up randomly, some question may be repeated. If you want more randomness, increase the size of the created mixed quiz and display 1/4 only.